You should always get up there to inspect so you can prepare the homeowners for what could be. If you look at a roof and you see there's a dip, all right, you always got to look at that dip. In this case here, see that dip? What's going on? Probably bad wood. Don't mind the coffee. Take a look at it, Leo. Look at that. See it? Look at this. Okay. Get in there. See it? See that? Ants. Why are there ants there? Disgusting. There's ants there because there's moisture there. Alright? It's a freaky, disgusting thing. See that? Gotta get up there and look. Now the homeowner knows they're gonna have a couple pieces of plywood minimum that has to be replaced so they can budget for it, right?